Welcome. Before we dive into the details of the Uno, our 3-board ATmega328P, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This Arduino-compatible development board is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to explore electronics, whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker. Equipped with the reliable ATmega328P microcontroller running at 16 MHz, it offers 14 digital I/O pins with PWM support and 6 analog inputs, providing ample connectivity for a wide variety of sensors and modules. The board supports an input voltage range of 7-12 V and comes with a USB cable, making it easy to connect to your PC for programming. One of the standout features is its compatibility not only with the Arduino environment, but also with Raspberry Pi models like 4B, 3B+, 3B, 2B, B+, 0, and 0W, expanding your project possibilities significantly. The Uno R3 board includes 32 kilobytes of flash memory and 2 kilobytes of SRAM, which is sufficient for most DIY projects involving robotics, home automation, and interactive systems. Its open-source design means you can customize and modify your board as needed, while seamless integration with the Arduino ecosystem gives you access to an extensive library of code examples, tutorials, and community support. Communication interfaces such as UART, SPI, and I2C allow for versatile device connections, making it a powerful tool for prototyping and development. Pros: wide compatibility with Arduino IDE and various Raspberry Pi models, ample digital and analog I/O pins with PWM support, robust ATmega328P microcontroller with sufficient memory, USB cable included for easy programming. Open-source design encourages customization, supports multiple communication protocols, UART, SPI, I2C. Cons: input voltage limited to 7-12 V, requiring careful power supply selection. May require additional components for certain projects, not suitable for extremely high performance or resource-intensive applications overall. The Uno R3 board ATmega328P is an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike who want a reliable, versatile, and affordable development board. Remember, the link to grab this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to start bringing your electronic ideas to life.